Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abseil. 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 Abseil is a verb that means to descend a vertical surface, such as a cliff or a wall, by means of a rope, typically in a controlled manner. It's a term commonly used in rock climbing and mountaineering contexts. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The rescue team had to abseil down the steep gorge to reach the injured hiker. Why abseil use in example number 1? Abseil is used to explain how the rescue team descended the steep gorge using ropes as part of their operation to reach the injured hiker. Example number 2. The experienced climber decided to abseil down the sheer rock face after reaching the summit. Why abseil use in example number 2? In this example, abseil is used to describe the climber's action of descending the rock face using a rope, highlighting the controlled descent after reaching the summit. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.